Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make green enchiladas with cream of mushroom. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 12 corn tortillas, and 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Don't forget 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies and some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. This method is incredibly easy and perfect for a weeknight meal, bringing delicious flavor to your table with minimal effort. Now, let's prepare the filling and the sauce. In a bowl, combine your 2 cups of shredded chicken with half of the diced green chilies. This creates a flavorful base for your enchiladas. For the sauce, whisk together the can of cream of mushroom soup with about 1/4 cup of milk and the remaining green chilies. Season this creamy sauce with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. It's a simple yet rich sauce that truly elevates the dish. Time to assemble these delicious enchiladas. Lightly dip each corn tortilla into your prepared cream of mushroom sauce. This helps keep them soft and pliable. Next, spoon some of the chicken and green chili mixture into the center of each tortilla. Roll them up tightly and place them seam down in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Pour any remaining sauce evenly over the rolled enchiladas, then generously sprinkle with about 1 1/2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, or until bubbly and golden. Once your green enchiladas are out of the oven, let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and makes them easier to serve. Garnish with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or even some sliced avocado for extra freshness. These easy green enchiladas with cream of mushroom are a comforting and satisfying meal the whole family will love. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.